Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to cook bread roll. So let's see how do I cook. So firstly I will show you all the ingredients which are needed to make the bread roll. Let's see. Firstly, here are some finely chopped onion, coriander, ginger and green chili. Then the boiled potatoes, then boiled peas. Then these are the ingredients for the chutney like coriander, raw mango, ginger and green chili. So firstly I am heating the pan with some oil in it. Guys, now I am making the coriander chutney. Firstly we will add the garlic. Then some green chili. Then the ginger. Then raw mango. Then the coriander. At last I am adding 1 teaspoon salt. Then at last we have to grind the chutney. Guys, as the oil is now hot, so I added some cumin seed in it and some green chili. And now I am roasting it very well. Now I added some finely chopped onion and the garlic paste. Garlic and ginger. Now I added some turmeric in it.
कोई मतलब नहीं.
Now I added some peas in it. Now I added some red chili powder. Now I am adding some salt as per our taste. Now I am adding some Kashmiri red chili powder. Now this is cumin seed powder. Now we have to mix these all ingredients well. Now we are adding some boiled potatoes in it. And now we are mixing it very well. Now I added some cumin seed powder and some chaat masala. I took that out from the pan and now we are mixing it very well, and now I added some coriander in it. Mixing it very well. As you know that our stuffing is ready, then I also chopped some paneer, and then there is a utensil, so we pour some fortune in it, and the bread roll is ready. And this is the mixture of some milk and the water.
कहीं नहीं कर पाएगी.
अरे यार Now I am adding the stuffing in it and paneer and a cheese slice. So we have to fry it until crispy. Now at last we have to keep it and put it in the plate. See guys, this is now crispy and crunchy. And must try this. It was so amazing and I learned how to cook bread roll. See. This looks very yummy and it's also yummy in the taste. If you want to try it, so must try it just because it was the best activity I have ever done. Guys, now we have to cut the edges of the bread like this.